This tutorial is all about lines, and lines will help you to create basically any type of art or logo that you can imagine. And this tool is key right here. I call it the line tool or the node tool. It actually has quite a few functions, but the tooltip here says draw Bezier curves and straight lines. So you can do just that with this tool. And let me just go ahead and draw a simple straight line. I can click once and let go, move my mouse, and double click, and it finishes that line. Or I can click and click again and drag, and you see that I have my Bezier line. And I can continue and close off that line. Okay, so these are a couple of different methods for creating lines and closing off lines. Now I just want to show you how we can go back and bend these lines. And the way you do that is with this Edit Nodes, Edit Paths by Nodes tool. And when I click that and have an object selected, I can see the nodes, the individual nodes that make up this object. And I can click and drag each of these nodes. If I want to delete a node, I can click on one and click delete. And I can also come in here and click on a line and bend that line. So it's very flexible with what you can do. And let's go ahead and bend this line up here. There we go. You'll notice here that I also have these handles where I can fine-tune the curve of the line, and it's very, very useful. You have super fine control over the lines if you use these handles here. Okay, let's say that we want to apply a style to our line. If I go to the fill and stroke dialog here, I have options. Fill is the first one that we've looked at. We can't really fill this object because it's just a line. It's not enclosed. But if we go over to the stroke paint, we can change the color of the stroke or the outline. We can blur it if we want to. Let's blur it a little bit too much. So various options here for the outline. Let's say that we want to change the outline style, which includes the thickness of it. I can change the width of it, and I can also come in here and make it dots if I want to, or dashes. So you have a lot of options for dealing with lines. We can change the color, we can change the style, we can change the thickness, and we can bend the line, lengthen the line. Many different options for dealing with lines in Inkscape.